you guys? Today's video is going to be a tutorial on how to flat twist your hair. And I know that there are plenty of different methods on how to do it, but this is just my personal style of how I like to do it. So before we jump right into the video, feel free to give this video a big thumbs up, as well as subscribing to this channel if you are new. And if you are new, welcome. So let's just go ahead and jump right into the video. I'm starting on old hair, and this is strictly for tutorial purposes. I know a lot of people don't know how to braid to the scalp, and for me personally, I feel like flat twisting is a lot easier to teach than braiding to the scalp is. So I'm going to attempt to teach it to you guys today, so bear with me. Attention class. Since my hair is dry, I'm going to spritz my hair and then re-moisturize it. I'm going to be using my Curls Blueberry Bliss leave-in conditioner to moisturize my hair. And you guys can feel free to use however much you feel is necessary for your hair. My hair is just stupid dry, so we're gonna use a lot. So when you start, you want to section off a tiny piece of hair at the front, and you want to split this section in half. I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys know how to two-strand twist already, so you just pretty much do the exact same thing. So what I'm going to do is cross them like so, and then grab this piece of hair in between my index and my middle finger. Do it again just because I'm starting right here. And so once I've twisted the hair twice, I'm going to use my thumb like this and section off another piece of hair. And this is one of the two pieces of the two-strand twist, and I'm going to drop that into the new section of hair. And again, drop one of the legs, section off some hair, and then re-grab, as well as detangling as you go. And some of you guys may not have to detangle because some of you guys may be starting on blow-dried hair, but this is just my hair and this is just what it likes to do. It likes to act up and be unruly. So again, use your thumb, section off a little piece. And as you guys can see, it's starting to do the flat twist pattern at the front. And I also twisted it this way because I like for my flat twist to go away from my face. The other way that you can flat twist the hair is you can let go of one of the two legs, section off some hair back here, and just like grab it and then detangle it. And then re-grab one of the two legs. Like, that may be an easier way to do it. And again, I'm sorry if my explanation is horrible, but hopefully my hand motions are like helping you guys understand how to do it better. So again, I've dropped one of the two legs. I'm just gonna grab some hair from back here. Truth be told, I'm not even gonna part it really because I just don't want to do that. And then I'm breaking this hair in half. And then just re-grabbing one of the two legs and keep on twisting it together. Once you get done flat twisting on your head, it just gets to the point of you just doing a simple two-strand twist for the rest of the way. When you start your flat twist on this side, you want to start off the same way by sectioning off a small piece at the front. Split it in two, but this time you're going to twist in the opposite direction so that way the flat twist will go away from your face on this side. So again, twist it twice. And on this side, I kind of have trouble flat twisting, so I just kind of like make a new part with my finger and make sure that my finger goes in between the two sections of the two-strand twist. So I have my two sections of hair, and I'm going to grab some with my middle finger and then make a new section with my index finger and just part it. So I have one of the two sections of the flat twist up here, and the other section is hanging down right here. So all I'm going to do is grab this section as well as additional hair and try to lay it down as flat as I can, and then continue the twist. And then I go in again with my index finger and like split it in half. It's really hard to explain unless you are like doing it, so I apologize. And once I get to the back, I just continue to use my thumb to part my hair. The same method that I did on the first flat twist. Normally when I do this style, my hair is wet, so I will end up pinning them behind my head like this. But if you want to wear them down, you can. I think this is cute too, but I also kind of like longer hair, and whenever my hair is like this and it's wet, it just shrinks up. So I just go ahead and pin it. And whenever I pin it, I try to make sure that I'm not pulling the twist too tight, because then it kind of looks like I don't have any hair. But if you kind of like allow it to be looser, it kind of just makes your hair look longer and it makes the style come together more. Whenever I do styles and my hair is out of my face, I always lay my edges down so it gives my hair more character. So I'm just going in with my Blueberry Bliss Curl Control Jelly by the brand Curls. And I'm just going to put some on my edges and just lay them down however I want them to look. I think this style is very cute for people who are athletes. So whether you just weightlift or go to the gym frequently, or if you are actually on a team, I think this style works pretty well. Or if it's just a hot summer day and you don't feel like dealing with your hair, you can do this style. You can also braid it down like this, but I think the flat twists give it like more volume, so it looks like you have more hair. But yeah, so this pretty much brings it to the end of the video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. If you did, feel free to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, follow me on all of my social media platforms. The name is going to be somewhere on the screen, as well as the links to all those pages down below in the description box. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.